Welcome back to Rolling Legends, your pit stop for all things fast, futuristic, and legendary. Today, we're diving into something electric, something bold, the MG Cyberster. Yeah, MG is back, and this time, they're not playing it safe. They've dropped the rulebook, flipped it over, and shocked the world with a two-seat electric roadster that feels like it's driven straight out of a concept sketch and into real life. Let's talk design. One glance at the Cyberster and you know it means business. It's got that low-slung sports car silhouette, with a wide stance, sharp lines, and scissor doors that open upwards. Yep, scissor doors on an MG. That's not just a flex. That's a full-on statement. The front end has a serious edge with arrow-shaped LED headlights and an aggressive grille-less design. Out back, those pixel-styled Union Jack tail lights are a nod to MG's British roots. But everything else screams next-gen. Under the hood, or should we say under the floor, things get even more interesting. The Cyberster comes with an all-electric powertrain, offering different variants. The top-spec dual-motor version packs around 536 horsepower, launching you from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. That's sports car territory, without a drop of fuel. Range: expect around 300 miles on a single charge depending on the variant, more than enough to crash some canyon roads or cruise the coast in style. Inside, MG went full gamer mode. The cockpit wraps around the driver with a triple-screen layout, a digital dash, central infotainment, and a passenger display. It feels futuristic without being overcomplicated. Think spaceship meets sports car. The flat-bottom steering wheel, toggle switches, and ambient lighting all scream performance vibes. And it's clear MG wanted this to feel like an experience, not just a commute. But let's be real, what makes the Cyberster such a big deal isn't just the specs, it's who it's coming from. MG, a name once known for classic British roadsters like the MGB, is now reborn as a tech-driven, future-focused electric brand under SAIC. It's nostalgia re-engineered for the EV age. They could have played it safe with another crossover, but instead, they gave us this an electric drop-top sports car in a world drowning in SUVs. And here's the twist, the Cyberster isn't just for show. It's actually going into production. Sales are already rolling in China, with Europe and possibly more markets on the radar. Pricing? It's not cheap, but it's far from supercar money. MG is aiming to deliver style, performance, and electric excitement at a price point that undercuts the big premium players. So the MG Cyberster isn't just a car, it's a comeback. It's MG telling the world they still know how to make a driver's car, and now, they're doing it with batteries. Is this the electric roadster we've all been waiting for? Time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the legends are rolling, and MG just put themselves back in the fast lane. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next drop. This is Rolling Legends, and we're just getting started.